Okay, so we're watching the lab here. So I just have a split screen open with the lab link over here and then the PHET lab over here. So first thing it says is open the introduction screen and explore, develop your own ideas what it means to balance a chemical equation. So I just have this chemical equation here. Notice the arrow means a reaction happens, and zeros means I don't have any, right? So if I change the numbers in front, my coefficients, it creates nitrogen, hydrogen, and ammonia in the boxes. And I can just change the amounts all the way up to 3 of each. Okay, now up here, you have tools. I have a mass calculator, and I have a table as well. There's our bar graphs here. So notice that if I did the bar graphs, if I change the number of nitrogens, it goes from 0 to 2 to 4 to 6. And 2 to 4 to 6 and so forth, and 0, 1, 2, whatever over there, right? So I have different tools. Maybe that visual is helpful for me. I personally think this one is the most helpful. And then really what I can do is balance it. I think you should start this way. So in your mind, balance this. Okay, so over here I have how many hydrogens, over here I have how many. How do I fix that? Then come back and do nitrogens and so forth. Okay, so you can also so notice this is 4 and 6, 4 and 6. If I change that, okay, now see how the yellow smiley pops up. It gives me the basis here. So how can you use the simulation to check your understanding? You're looking for the smiley face. You also have your scale or your bar graph. And then over here you got separate water and combust methane to balance as well. Okay, so use that information to answer these two here, and then use the balanced reaction to show you can write an equation that makes chemical sense. So we'll do that part together in class. But basically you're going to say, what is this? How many of those do I have? And what is this? Think of this as the make ammonia lab here. Sorry, make water. It's technically make water. Okay, so it's the opposite of this equation. Okay, is this reaction balanced? You're just going to look at this and make a decision, your answer, explanation. Okay, now you're going to open the full simulation of the game screen. So I can just click down here. Okay, use it as you went through in class. You don't need to use the intro balanced lessons to learn. It's okay if you get 100%, just keep trying. Okay, so play level 1. I'm going to go ahead and balance, and then notice if I hit, let's just say 1, 1, 1, and I hit check, it's going to say not balanced. Try again. But if I did 1, 1 check, I could also do show Y, and then it's going to show me I got equal number of carbons, but my oxygens are not equal. So then I got to find a way to get my oxygens equal. Okay, and what you do when you complete level 1 again, capture the screen with your score and paste it below onto your iPad. So you're going to screenshot it, right? And then Notability, you can click the plus sign and add that screenshot right here, and then cut it down to size right here. Play level 2, screencast, and so forth down there. Same thing if you play level 3, you can get some extra credit. And that's what we got going on here. All right, guys, love you, appreciate you. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.